Hello, I'm Rob Kircher and welcome to Heirloom Custom Toys. This is episode 4. It's actually the finale of our replica build of a 1953 Cape Cod house that is our client's granny's house. So it's a replica. And as we know with replicas, there are no instructions, there's no directions. All we started off with, frankly, which was extremely helpful, was a grid that our client sent me that had, from her memory, the actual sizes of the rooms and where they were in the house. And that basically was it, ladies and gentlemen. So what you see in front of you is the actual final first floor replica model, if you will. And as you can see, we now have landscaping in here. All the doors are operable. The floors are either hardwood or vinyl. Some are painted. We have awnings along the side of the house. And you can see there's lots of landscaping and so on. So I'm going to take you step by step through the actual final build. And after that, we're going to put the second level on and then the third level. Our tour begins with the front of the house, and what you're seeing to the left there is the garage, and that door does swing open and it goes into that mechanism that allows it to swing out of the way. So here's how the door works manually. You pull it up from the bottom and slide it up into position, just like that. And if you want, it actually can be totally removed. Simply pull it straight out. You notice I just set it up on top. So you can do it either way. The next room is the kitchen. Now that has a white vinyl floor. And the next room is the dining room, which has a hardwood floor. And then the room beyond that is the living room, which has a hardwood floor and also access to the second floor. That's a closet below that. And then looking at it from the back of the house, this of course is that long screened-in porch, and it has 3 doorways. And then just above that is their office, and to the left is the bathroom that has the vinyl flooring. And then there's a guest bedroom, and by the way, both of these have closets. And then the last room is the master bedroom. Okay, through the magic of television, we now have the second floor in place. Now this, of course, is the stairway that leads down to the first floor level, and it gives access, obviously, to the second floor. And again, it's lined with all hardwood flooring and so on. Now along the way, as you can see, there are many, many supports that are required to hold the roof structure, and also this is a long cantilevered roof that goes over the back porch. It takes 2 people to do this, so my wife was kind enough to help me. It's essentially a bonus room, and originally it had just one bookshelf, but because of the structure of the roof, it had to be supported with 3 separate arches, as you can see. It's long and it's a little awkward. It's not heavy, but it does take 2 people to position it properly. And the one thing that you have to be mindful of is in the first floor, we have the actual grills, if you will, for the front porch. And so when you place the second level on, you just have to be a little mindful that they're there and not too heavy-handed, if you will. Okay, the next thing coming up is the third section, which is the roof. And as you can see, we have a complete model, fully landscaped and fully roofed. The actual roof structure, which is a variety of different types of roofs, and it all has that amazing, authentic looking asphalt shingles. And to the best of our abilities, it's a very accurate reproduction, if you will, replica of our client's 1953 Granny Cape Cod house. Now this, of course, is an aerial view of the house. So you can see it's fully landscaped. We have driveways, we have sidewalks, and we'll take you around, but you'll see we have awnings, we have screened-in porch. It's very, very detailed. You'll now see the front entrance of the garage with its own garage door. It has house numbers, it has 2 coach lamps, the driveway, all of which is fully landscaped. And once again, it is a replica, folks, so it is not perfect. It never will be perfect. Replicas aren't. And they also, the real secret here, the key is, and you may laugh at this, but because it's a replica, we don't want it to look brand new. If it looked brand new, it wouldn't be a replica. So it has to have some age to it. So we've done our best to give it kind of a dating, if you will, in terms of how things were painted, even the way that the roof was shingled. So it needs to be authentic, if you will, and realistic and believable. And the bedroom has actually 4 windows, all of which have wonderful canopies, awnings on them, if you will. And then this is the back entrance into the porch. Notice the landscaping, and we also have a little light, the back porch light. And then it takes us into this long screened-in back porch, and also landscaped. And this is cantilevered. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we would like you to subscribe, share, and like us. And this again is episode 4. It's the finale, and stay tuned for more replicas coming in the future. I'm Rob Kircher. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.